is to summarize what we have discussed for the past 8 committee hearings.
Sir, yeah, one last from my end. So, meaning to say, it can be used by the Justice Committee in the determination of forms and substance of the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, because in your hearing, lumabas din yung bribery, graft, and corruption, which includes in the impeachment case filed against the Vice President.
Yung mga final pong impeachment complaint, if I'm not mistaken, marami rin naman po kinuha nila dito sa committee hearing namin eh. So, to answer your question, it will not prevent them from getting information, mga